Hello, this is Arya. Welcome to Orissa Post Live and you are watching today's top headlines. The working president of the Odisha Congress and former MP Pradeep Majhi resigned Friday from primary membership of the party. He has sent his resignation to Congress interim president Sonia Gandhi. Majhi said in his letter that Congress has lost credibility among people. Balangir police took Gobind Sahu, prime accused in the Mamita Meher murder case, to the under-construction stadium at Mahaling Friday to recreate the crime scene. In a separate development, police also claimed to have found incriminating materials from the house of the second accused, Radhesham Chandi. Among the items recovered were a mobile phone and women's garments. With the 2022 Panchayat polls on the anvil, preparations are in full swing. State Election Commissioner Aditya Prasad Padhi said Friday a review meeting conducted with all district collectors Wednesday. He told media persons that counting will be done at block offices instead of booths and the number of ballot boxes will be increased. Fuel prices were again hiked for the third successive day, with the rates of both petrol and diesel going up by 35 paise each. Petrol rose to a record high of Rs 106.89 a litre in Delhi, while the rate of diesel stood at Rs 95.62 a litre, according to a price notification of the state-owned fuel retailers. 39 women army officers have got permanent commission after winning a legal battle in the Supreme Court, which ordered the government to ensure their new service status is granted within 7 working days. Bollywood glamour couple Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone are interested in owning an IPL team, sources informed Friday. This year, the number of IPL teams will be increased to 10 instead of the existing 8. Deepika and Ranveer are among others interested in bidding for the new teams. Actress Ananya Pandey, who was called again Friday for questioning, have joined the probe, NCB officials said Friday. They also informed that till now there is no evidence to prove that she supplied ganja to Aryan Khan. That's all for today's top headlines. To stay updated, keep watching Orissa Post Live.